Hi guys, I'm Steven, and in today's video I'm going to be giving you 5 tips on how to identify a real estate property scam. Stay tuned. Welcome back. So before I go into the 5 tips I will be giving you today, I need to address your mind to the legal principle known as caveat emptor. It means buyers beware. Before you make that decision to pay for the land you're scouting for, you need to do your due diligence to search the title and be sure that everything is intact and in place before you go ahead. So now to my first tip. Please don't pay cash. I wonder why anybody would want to do that, but it is a red flag when the vendor or assigner who wants to sell the property to you asks you to pay in cash. It's not a good sign. So because it will be difficult for you to trace your money if there is any encumbrance on the title over the land. So you might want to pay the money into an identifiable bank account traceable to the person who is selling to you. So that's that about that. Then second, closely related to that is when you are being rushed to make payment, whether it's into the bank account or cash. One feature of a scam is the scammers may want to get your money as fast as possible. So they want to tell you that there are several people who are also bidding for the property and ready to pay immediately. It's all a scam to get you to pay your money without taking the necessary steps. So don't be rushed into making payment for land when you're making that decision. Take your time, do your search, do your due diligence. Now the third tip is that when land is offered to you at a ridiculously low price compared to other property in that vicinity, it may be a pointer that there is a scam in the offing. So you want to be sure that even though somebody may want to give you a bargain, but it shouldn't be too low. When land in the vicinity may be going for 45 million, 20 million, and somebody is offering it to you at 5 million, and it's not a distress sale, and you are sure that and you are being pressured to make payment. When these things go hand in hand, please, that is a pointer to a scam. Now the fourth tip is when the land does not have any identifiable title document. Any land must have a family receipt, a registered deed of assignment with registered survey, must have a gazette, an excision gazette if the land had been under acquisition. You may want to take this, be sure, but when a particular land that is being offered to you does not have any of these title documents, it's just bare, in this time and age is very unlikely. You might want to take your time to ask for the last person that has a traceable title over the land. It does happen that people buy land and sell without doing the necessary statutory process of seeking governor's consent, but there must be somebody who has a traceable title over the land. Now number five is peculiar to when you're buying family property, and when somebody scouts or proposes offers a land to you that's running into acres or hectares of land, and he's the only one saying he's the owner, please, you might want to be careful. Yes, everything may look very nice and very clean, but don't put all your money at once. Pay perhaps a percentage, then ask for opportunity to do a land information, for instance at the land registry in the state where the land is located, to know some information about the land that might be able to point you to those who are the real owners. The person selling to you may not own the entire portion of land he is proposing to you. So please don't rush into it. Make sure you make findings around the village or around the locality where that land is. Somebody will point you out to say, no, this person does not have up to the portion of land he is offering to you. And at Pertinence Limited, we ensure that we do all that is necessary, that we don't get our clients into such trouble. We guide them in all these features to ensure that they don't fall into these forms of scam. Now, I just want to leave you with this last hint. If it looks like a duck, cracks like a duck, waddles like a duck, and swims like a duck, most likely it is a duck. Don't be a victim of land scam. Thank you.